Hi everyone, my dream is finally coming true. I have been shopping for the last 10 years to put together a curated box that will solve a big fat problem we have right now, and that's the lockdown has created a lot of social isolation for my beloved seniors, the disabled, the widowed, and veterans, who I am looking forward to cheering up with the Success in Aging Essentials box. So I'm going to open this box for you right now so you'll know how to unpack it too. Here we go. So notice the wonderful hands of helping and praising. We have a good looking box here, and it opens right here at these two edges. So simultaneously, put your fingers there and you're going to open. And what do you see? This is an encouraging sign for you. There is a QR code that you can hold your camera up to. If you'd like to share this on your social media, it'll go straight to the website where people can sign up for an interest group, get my free top 10 tips for success in aging download, and also they can sign up and I'll start sending them emails. So the next thing you'll see is a thank you, a personal thank you from me, and hoping you enjoy the box. On the other side, my ask is that you will post on your social media about this box. So here are the instructions right here. The next thing we have is the Journal for Success in Aging, where I explain why each of the products inside are so good for seniors, the widowed, the disabled, and veterans. This is a wonderful little way for you to send your caring and love through the mail to someone who really needs to be cheered up. Plus, have products that are Gerontologist approved that I've curated and they will really enjoy. All right, everyone, here we go. Opening the official Success in Aging Essentials box sticker. And, oh my, okay, here we go. And look, everyone, what's in this wonderful box. Let me pull some things out. This might look like just a squeegee, but it's not. It's one of the best pieces of exercise equipment you can have at home. Because when you're all warm and your muscles are warm in the shower, you're going to be using this for the first 5 minutes of your day and get some good exercise in. Then we have the Success in Aging Garden. So you can garden either by your sink, in your windowsill, outside. And these are a box of marigolds. All right, everyone. This is so wonderful. It's an auto cane. All right. So you stick this thing in the side of your door and then you stand up, and it's guaranteed by the manufacturer to hold 300 human pounds. This is a wonderful help to get in and out of a car, and your loved ones will love it. All right, and then we come to one of my favorites, the Success in Aging doggy bags. Your wonderful pets who love you so much really cheer us up, don't they? Yes, they do. And this way you'll get great exercise, picking up and being a great neighbor so that people around you will really appreciate you. Exercise, friendship, wow, what can be better? Now in my box, I put some gifts just for my first wonderful friends who are looking at this box. All right, everyone. Who doesn't need a collapsible water bottle? Inside each of my gauze bags with gifts, I have an explanation for that. This is for the foldable water bottles. And look at this, everyone. How fun. It's reusable, it's freezer safe, it's portable, and dishwasher safe. It comes with its own clip for your belt. What a gift, right? Again, we're encouraging hydration. We need to end isolation, everyone. You getting out and walking with a bottle of water, excuse me, this is like an icebreaker. Someone on your block is going to ask you, what is that thing on your belt? Okay, now, oh, and I love this one. This is the fuel door gloves. Okay, so on the back, you take these off and you stick it inside, you know, that door that opens up so you can put gas in your car. Did you know that the #1 most carcinogenic thing that you run into on a weekly basis is gasoline? I mean, we love the idea of gloves, because there are germs on the gas pumps. But this is really about keeping carcinogens out of your skin. It's very, very important. Okay, and there's 4. So because that's about how many gloves you need for a month. I would stretch it to 2 because, you know, I work at home. Okay, and again, it has its explanation why it's so good for you. And lastly, this little bag has arthritis cream in it. It's hemp-based. It is very soothing, so enjoy that. So thank you, everyone. I'm really looking forward to your comments. And here's the thing. This box full of hope, helping older people engage, is something that you send from your heart to their home. You know, it's all about love. My love of buying and curating gerontologist approved items, but your love that you would regularly think about those who are stuck at home, that you would regularly send them a box, and that they and you could talk together more often about this very cool thing you just did. Thank you. Look forward to talking with you soon.